Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading for July 27th, 2026, Part 2. The theme is Unearth a Story. Dinosaur, Go to Bed. Written by Mike Hensel, illustrated by Nora Rax. It's time for bed, Dinosaur. Our playtime is done. I know that you'd rather stay up and have fun, but we've teetered and tottered and slid down the slide. Found a weird bug and made 50 mud pies. We crafted, we colored, we picked pirate names. We wore hero capes and played video games. Now you've brushed your teeth, so come on, sleepyhead. It's time, little dinos were tucked into bed. Just one more thing. Could I please have a drink? Some not too cold water from the kitchen sink? And could you put it in my favorite blue cup with a straw so I can sip it without sitting up? Or maybe some cocoa, all steamy and hot, with a great big dollop of whipped cream on top. And what's cocoa without a marshmallow or two? Oh, look, we have cookies. Do you want a few? Okay, you've had a drink and a little snack too. But now it's time for bed. Yes, I'm talking to you. Just one more thing. Can you sing me a song? No, not that one. You're singing it wrong. Remember the song we heard at the beach when I built a castle and you dropped your peach? It had this one part about wishing on stars, and we sang it all the way home in the car. And then at the end you go clap, 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 clap. Do you remember that song? Can you sing me that? We sang a song, but don't forget what I said. Come on, little dinosaur. It's time for bed. Just one more thing. Can you please check for ghosts and underbed monsters? They scare me the most. And could you move that chair over a pinch? It's making a shadow that looks like a witch. I know we said it one time to be funny, but can you check if my socks have turned into a mummy? Maybe we should sleep with all the lights on. Do you have some nunchucks? Should we ask your mom? It's okay to be scared. Sometimes I'm afraid too. But now into bed. I'll be right here with you. Just one more thing. Can I ask you a question? What does it mean when you have indigestion? And why do bananas turn brown and not blue? And how much is 13 plus 72? What happens to rainbows when they disappear? How many Wednesdays are there in a year? Do airplanes flap their wings when they fly? Are unicorns real? Do jellyfish cry? But they live in water, so how would you know? How far is Nebraska? Where do missing socks go? This time I mean it. You heard what I said. It's way past your bedtime. Dinosaur, go to bed. Just one more thing. Can you pass me my stuffy and fluff up my pillow so I'll be super comfy? I'll close my eyes now and try to count sheep, but will you lay here with me till I fall asleep? And just one more thing. Just one more thing that I couldn't love more. Falling asleep to your sweet dino snore. Good night, dinosaur. The end. Okay, we are going to make a mini dinosaur, and your Craft-to-Go kit is this mini dinosaur. And you can see it needs to be punched out. But before I punch it out, I'm going to go ahead and color it. And it looks like you can color it on both sides because there's detail on both sides. So what I got is markers. You can use markers or crayons or even coloring pencils. And I think I'm gonna make him very colorful. I'm gonna give him pink spikes. And see, I can color over the lines because it's just gonna be punched out. So it doesn't matter if it's perfect or not. Just making sure I get all the spike. And I think I'm going to give him a blue body. You can make yours however you want. And I'm going to color his little feet parts pink and the sideways thing blue. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to color. You can see I'm flipping it over. I'm doing the back, and it's hard to see the spikes on this side. You can see them better once you've colored some of them in. But I'm going to go ahead, like I said, I'm coloring pink and blue on mine. You can do any color you want on yours. And once I'm done coloring, I will turn the camera back on and we will put this guy together. Or girl. Whatever you want it to be. I guess in Jurassic Park they were all supposed to be females. That's not how it was in the dinosaur world. Okay. Okay, I've colored both sides and it looks a mess right now. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna gently pop out the dinosaur parts. Now mine has spikes. I don't know which dinosaurs you got, but that's kind of the hardest part. Pop that out. Pop that out. And pop that out. And we leave this mess and throw that away. Now, to put it together, you put the big stand in the middle. Then you have the little stands. Have the toes facing front. There's 1 foot. 2 feet. It looks like the paper on the thing wants to roll up a bit. Then we just, oops. He doesn't want to stand up, huh? To balance him, there he is. And there's your dinosaur. Little mini dinosaur. That's what he looks like.